guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your tweets activity on Twitter. So I opened up Twitter, of course, and I'm just going to open this tweet, and then I'm going to go to view tweet analytics, and then here you can find the activity that this tweet has. It has around 96,000 engagements, detailed fans, almost 200 profile visits, and it has 1 million impressions. We got 389 likes on this tweet, 17 retweets, and 2 replies. You can also switch to the professional on this sort of tab. That's basically how you can find the sort of tweet activity on Twitter. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!